Vincent Nodot. I'm a site supervisor for ETF. Here we are in the Place Carnot station, which is part of the Line 11 project. Line 11 is the extension of an existing line that goes from Châtelet Marie Dela. This extension is made up of 3 phases: a maintenance site phase, a viaduct phase, and a tunnel phase 2. The tunnel phase is where we are today. My name is Yusuf Ferhawi. I'm a vehicle operator for ETF in the area of railway works. With the OilQuick coupler, it's easier for us to connect the tools. We no longer need to manually connect hoses. Everything is done automatically. We don't need to leave the cab. It avoids the risk of accidents, especially in the railway sector. No longer having to disconnect the hoses avoids oil spillage on the concrete. It avoids stains and rings that stay for life on concrete, and it basically avoids pollution. We no longer need anyone. We're independent. We can work alone. With the OilQuick coupler, it's very easy to change tools. All we need to do is follow the instructions on screen. We just have to press the button and the coupling happens. What's good with OilQuick is we've kept the same joysticks to operate the tilt rotator.